There she is, 1 down, 2 to go.
It's like I've seen people doing videos of them flying up to Svalbard, right up in the Arctic Circle, and it's just like you get relentless snow there, and planes still come and go. You know, it's wild.
Push and start approved on the A380 on stand 12.
Okay. No de-ice then?
Probably done earlier on. I mean, to be fair, it's
not that cold.
It's not massively cold now.
Yeah, I don't think all the planes have got them. I mean, look at this.
We're at 3 degrees.
Yeah.
Hainan out to Beijing.
What a shot that is. Wow, that red really pops. Nice warm colour scheme there. Do you think American operators will ever return to Manchester? I think eventually, yeah.
Dave Green with the £5 donation coming into the channel. Thank you so much, mate. Saying loving the stream, keeping me entertained whilst I'm working from home down the road in Bagley.
The Rude Road.
Bagley. Great work, guys. Appreciate you, mate. I hate destroying people's donations with me not being able to speak.
Here we go. Emirates Airbus A380 on the push. And people saying the Glasgow 380 is on the way in. Is that the next to land, is it?
It is.
Yeah, it's...
So I wonder if that's going to take the 12 stand.
I'd imagine so, yeah. And then the other one on a remote. I could hazard a guess. We are overdue on the retirement flight as well. That was due about 30 minutes ago. 757 retirement today.
Yeah. Phil Sellers with a 28 months. Welcome back, mate. Thank you so much. Catching a bit of the show before work.
That wind really picking up as well.
It has, hasn't it?
A lot. It's a very cold wind as well, I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
Wind from the north, from the northwest. Hear it.
There she is, 1 down, 2 to go.